Holtzman Survival Pen is a must-have survival tool that combines the practicality of a writing instrument with essential survival features. Constructed with durability in mind, this compact pen boasts a tungsten steel tip for self-defense and glass breaking, ensuring preparedness in emergency situations. The built-in LED flashlight provides reliable illumination when needed, while the included whistle serves as a crucial signaling tool for attracting help. With its versatile functionality and compact design, Holtzman's Survival Pen is a reliable companion for survival scenarios, ensuring you have the necessary tools at your fingertips to navigate through challenging situations and increase your chances of survival. This is Midland ER310, a versatile and reliable emergency weather radio designed to keep you informed and prepared during critical situations. This compact and portable device features multiple functions essential for survival. It has a built-in NOAA weather radio with alert capabilities, providing real-time weather updates and alerts to keep you informed about severe weather conditions. The ER310 also features a powerful 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery that can be charged via multiple methods, including solar power, hand crank, or USB. This ensures that you always have a source of power for the radio, as well as the ability to charge other devices in emergencies. Additionally, the device is equipped with an ultra-bright LED flashlight and an SOS beacon for signaling help. Next is the Camillus Carnivore X. It's the ultimate survival machete, specially designed for hunting, camping, hiking, and exploration. This versatile tool serves multiple purposes, allowing you to cut, dig, saw, chisel, and gut, adapting to your outdoor needs. With an additional trimming knife included, you have added versatility at your fingertips. The 18-inch tactical knife features a full tang blade made from titanium-bonded 420 stainless steel, ensuring it stays sharp longer and providing 3 times the strength of untreated steel. The textured handle offers a secure grip, instilling confidence during use. To top it off, the Carnivore X comes with a bonus 5-inch trimming knife, equipped with hex heads for added functionality. Mjolnir T pendants are not regular jewelry. Designed to help and protect in emergency situations, they embody the essence of Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. The Thor pendant features a fire starter inside, symbolizing the power of Thor, the god of thunder. The Loki pendant, inspired by the mischievous figure Loki, resembles a knife and serves a vital purpose. These pendants not only pay homage to ancient legends, but also provide practical tools for survival. With their unique designs and life-saving capabilities, the Mjolnir Ti pendants combine style and functionality, offering a wearable symbol of preparedness and protection. Introducing the Surviveware waterproof splint. Crafted with a thin core of aluminum and padded by a protective foam shell, this splint offers superior flexibility and lightweight support compared to traditional materials. Its radiolucent nature allows for uninterrupted X-rays, eliminating the need for removal during examinations. With clear instructions printed on the exterior, it becomes an essential addition to any survivalist's first aid kit. Molded to any shape necessary to stabilize fractures, sprains, strains, and muscle stress, providing optimal protection and immobilization. With its pliability and strength, it adapts to 3 distinct curves, transforming into a robust support system for any injured body part. Embrace the Surviveware waterproof splint, a crucial tool that empowers you to respond effectively to injuries in demanding survival situations. Here we have a flashlight for you. No, it's not a bigger one. This Isart MQ4 Flashlight features a revolutionary pop-to-light solution, providing unparalleled convenience, ease, and speed when accessing powerful light in critical moments. With its portable design, the MQ4 is your trusted companion, ready to illuminate any situation at a moment's notice. Gone are the days of fumbling or searching in the dark to unlock your flashlight. It eliminates the need for twisting and turning with its magnetic quick-release feature. Simply pull it off your keychain, and instantaneously, the powerful light illuminates your surroundings. Its magnetic capabilities also allow for hands-free use, easily attaching to metal surfaces for added convenience. AMV2 mega-multitool is the ultimate survival companion, designed to meet all your outdoor needs in one versatile package. With its innovative design, The AMV2 features a single handle that seamlessly attaches to an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook, making it a true powerhouse of functionality. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or setting up camp, this multi-tool ensures you have the tools necessary to tackle any task. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it ideal for rugged environments, while its compact size allows for easy portability. With this multi-tool by your side, you'll be equipped with the essential tools to overcome challenges and thrive in any survival situation. The Camillus Camtrax 3-in-1 Hatchet is the ultimate survival tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for camping and exploring, this versatile hatchet combines chopping, cutting, sawing, and hammering capabilities to meet your unique survival needs. With its 2.75-inch bonded stainless steel blade, integrated 7-inch folding saw, and hammer end, it offers a comprehensive set of tools in one compact package. The comfortable grip of the glass-filled nylon handle ensures optimal control and performance, while the molded sheath protects the blade head when not in use. With its rugged design and multifunctionality, the Camtrax Hatchet is the perfect companion for any survival situation. Meet Prepared 4X, the ultimate survival torch equipped with everything you need to effectively start a safe and controlled fire in any situation. Its premium quality: ferrocerium rod, 36-inch wax-infused hemp fire starter rope, curved steel striker, and durable aluminum housing ensures reliable fire starting capability even in the harshest conditions. Its water-resistant design makes it suitable for all weather conditions, ensuring that you can rely on it to ignite a fire when you need it most. Compact, lightweight, and built for survival, the Prepared 4X is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Here's the Surviveware Trauma First Aid Kit for critical survival situations. This kit, packed with 100 high-quality emergency essentials and first aid supplies. With labeled and organized compartments, finding the necessary supplies during an emergency is quick and hassle-free. Made from water-resistant and rip-resistant 600D polyester, this kit is rugged enough to withstand any outdoor adventure. Its portable design includes removable mole-compatible straps, snaps, and D-rings, allowing it to be easily attached to cars, trucks, boats, and more. Equipped with a removable CPR pouch and a first aid guide, this kit ensures you have the tools and information needed to handle minor wounds and emergencies during your survival journey. Introducing the mighty ThorFire solar flashlight, a beacon of resilience in the darkest of times. With its solar-powered essence and relentless hand crank, it defies the shackles of external power, ensuring your survival during grueling blackouts. A true champion of adventurers, this self-powered luminary becomes your unwavering ally in the wild, guiding your path through treacherous terrains, untamed forests, and uncharted territories. Fear not the tempestuous storms, for its IPX6 waterproof armor shields it from the wrath of nature, even plunging fearlessly into depths of 45 feet. With a steadfast glow lasting up to 4 hours, it reigns supreme as the ultimate savior, illuminating your quest for survival. This soul-reflective emergency bivvy is designed to withstand perilous situations. With its alchemical brilliance, it harnesses the divine power of reflection, preserving a staggering 90% of your life force against the relentless, icy grip of hypothermia, enveloping you in a radiant shield of life-saving warmth. Delighting in its arsenal of survival secrets, it reveals a tinder paracord, a mystical conduit for igniting fires in the direst moments, while its resounding emergency whistle pierces the heavens, summoning salvation. Light as a feather, it nests within your rugged kit, whispering tales of resilience, as its tear-resistant essence defies the ravenous jaws of the wild. The Zippo fire starting paracord is a mystical lifeline that weaves together the very fabric of survival. Concealed within its vibrant strands, a red fire starter strand lies coated in paraffin, poised to unleash a mesmerizing blaze with the mere touch of a spark. This enchanted cord, brimming with resilience, weaves its way into the tapestry of your adventure, transforming into a versatile tool for securing gear. With a staggering length of 50 feet and 8 strands of bound resilience, it holds the power to conjure up to 600 life-sustaining fires, etching a triumphant tale of survival in the wilderness's unforgiving embrace. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.